How to make your home feel cozy. Creating a cozy home is all about making your living space feel warm, inviting, and comfortable. Whether you live in a spacious house or a compact apartment, incorporating a few thoughtful touches can transform your home into a haven of relaxation and charm. Here are 7 essential pointers to help you achieve a cozy atmosphere. 1. Warm lighting. Opt for soft, warm lighting to create a relaxing ambiance. Use table lamps, floor lamps, and string lights instead of harsh overhead lighting. Consider adding candles for a flickering, intimate glow. 2. Soft textiles. Incorporate plush rugs, throw blankets, and an array of cushions and pillows. These elements add texture and warmth, making your space more inviting and comfortable. 3. Natural elements. Bring the outdoors in with houseplants, wooden furniture, and natural fabrics like cotton and wool. These elements add a sense of tranquility and earthiness to your home. 4. Personal touches. Decorate with items that reflect your personality and memories. Display family photos, travel souvenirs, or artwork that you love. These personal touches make your home uniquely yours and add to the cozy feeling. 5. Declutter and organize. A tidy space is essential for a cozy atmosphere. Keep your home organized and free of clutter. Use storage solutions to keep things neat and create a more relaxing environment. 6. Aromatherapy. Use essential oils, scented candles, or incense to add pleasant scents to your home. Aromas like lavender, vanilla, and cinnamon can enhance the cozy atmosphere and help you relax. 7. Comfortable furniture. Invest in furniture that is both stylish and comfortable. Choose sofas and chairs with soft cushions, and consider adding a cozy reading nook with a comfy chair and good lighting. By focusing on these key elements, you can transform your home into a cozy retreat where you feel relaxed and happy. Remember, the goal is to create a space that feels warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. Enjoy the process of making your home a sanctuary that reflects your personal style and provides comfort and joy.